Hi everyone, hope you are all doing well. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 3 the pair of linear equations in two variables ಪಾಠದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. In this video in detail I will be discussing how you can answer the questions from exercise 3.1 of this chapter, the pair of linear equations in two variables. Now let us answer question number 2. In the previous video, I have provided you the solution for question number 1 of exercise 3.1. Okay? ಆ question number 1 ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ಲೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೇನೆ. Please do check out the video. Now question number 2, on comparing the ratios, a1 by a2, comma b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point comma are parallel or consistent. Intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. So here question number 2 is to compare the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find out whether the following pair of linear equations are whether they represent, means they intersect at a point, parallel or coincident. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ the coefficients na ratio ಏನಿದೆ a1 by a2, b1 by b2 ಮತ್ತೆ c1 by c2 ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we have to tell whether they intersect at a point, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. 5x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ pair of linear equations. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. a1x plus b1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a1 is equal to 5, a2 b1 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವ, b1 is equal to minus 4 and c1 is equal to 8, a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to minus 9. Coefficients ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಯ್ತು. Now let us write the ratio. a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7 B1 by B2 is equal to minus 4 by 6. Okay, 2 in the table simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 2s are 2 3s are, that's equal to minus 2 by 3, comma C1 by C2 is equal to 8 by minus 9. Okay, ಈಗ ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you can see that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Alva? If you check, A1 by A2 is 5 by 7, B1 by B2 is minus 2 by 3 and they are not equal. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, whether they intersect at a point parallel or coincident ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Already I have created a video on the important concepts from this particular chapter. ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. And the link to watch that video will be provided to you here below in the description box. Okay. So when the coefficients A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then those lines which represents the pair of linear equations are said to be intersecting. Okay. So you can tell the lines intersect. So here how you interpret is that the line intersects because the ratio A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 are not equal. Now let us solve the second question. Sub question 2, 9x plus 3y, 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. ಇದು pair of linear equations. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A1 by A2, B1 by B2 ಮತ್ತೆ C1 by C2 ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And then we have to interpret. Okay, firstly let us write A1 is equal to 9, B1 is 3, C1 is equal to 12. And from equation 2 here you can write A2 is 18, B2 is 6, C2 and then 24. Okay, ಈಗ ratios ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A1 by A2, that is 9 by 18. 9 ones are 9 twos are, so A1 by A2 is 1 by 2. B1 by B2, B1 andre 3, B2 andre 6, 3 ones are 3 twos are, that's equal to 1 by 2. Simplify ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ C1 by C2, that's equal to 12 by 24. You know 12 ones are 12 twos are, this is also equal to 1 by 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ now you can write A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and that is equal to C1 by C2. All the three ratios are equal. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, C1 and that's equal to C1 by C2. When all the three ratios are equal, it is said that the lines are coincident. Okay, lines are coincident. The lines are coincident. Previous case ali you have found that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Okay, so ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ the lines intersect. ಇಲ್ಲಿ lines are coincident. Lines are coincident means you can see many solutions for that type of pair of linear equations. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ when they do not they intersect means you see only one solution. Okay, ಈಗ sub question 3, 6x minus 3y, 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y, 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಎರಡು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Second one 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a1 is 6, b1 is minus 3 and c1 is equal to 10. a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1, c2 ಅಂದರೆ 9. ಈಗ let us find the ratio. a1 by a2 ಅಂದರೆ 6 by 2, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2 1s are 2 3s are, a1 by a2 ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ b1 by b2, b1 ಅಂದರೆ minus 3, b2 ಅಂದರೆ minus 1, minus 3 by minus 1, minus by minus is plus, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ answer is 3. Now c1 by c2, c1 by c2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 10 by 9, ಅದನ್ನು further you cannot simplify. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, you can write a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 ಮತ್ತು b1 by b2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆದರೆ that is not equal to the ratio c1 by c2 ಅಲ್ವಾ. a1 by a2 ಮತ್ತು b1 by b2 both are equal to 3 and they are equal, ಆದರೆ the ratio c1 by c2 that is equal to 10 by 9, this is not equal to 3. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಈ ಎರಡು ರೇಷಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. This is the third case where you see that the lines which represent the pair of linear equation, okay, they are parallel. You can write the lines are parallel. Okay, the lines are parallel, it means that they do not have any solution. So ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ನ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ 3 ಮೂರು ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. On comparing the ratios, a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations pair of linear equations are consistent, whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent, So here they have given us a pair of linear equation. By comparing the ratios of the coefficients, we have to find out whether those pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, so we have to tell whether they are consistent or inconsistent. So here consistent and they have a solution. Okay, consistent and they have a solution. ಅದೇ ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, inconsistent means for those pair of equations you don't have solution. Okay, consistent means you have a solution for those pair of linear equations that they have given us. Inconsistent means you do not have a solution for the pair of linear equations they have given us. Consistent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. ಆದ್ರೆ Till now, I didn't say that how you will tell whether they are consistent or inconsistent by comparing the ratios. ರೇಷಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟಾ ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಈಗೇನು ಹಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ವೆನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ as well as when the lines are coincident ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ? when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ they ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have one solution. ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 which is equal to c1 by c2. ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು, ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ಲಿ ಮೆನಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ವೆರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and that is not equal to c1 by c2. ಯಾವಾಗ? when the lines are parallel. lines parallel ಆಗಿರುವಾಗ you do not have any solution. okay, so ಈ ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they have solution. ಯಾವಾಗ? when the lines intersect as well as they coincident. inconsistent ಯಾವಾಗ? when there is no solution ಅಂದ್ರೆ when lines are parallel. okay, so this is what you have to remember. so this is very important from this chapter. okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ intersect as well as coincident. inconsistent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ when the lines are parallel. ಈಗ questions ಅನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುವ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ first pair of equations they have given us is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Under this sub question 1, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Again, second one, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So here, let us write the coefficients. a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to 5. Hage, from the second equation you can write a2 is 2, b2 minus 3, c2 and 7. Now let us find the ratios. ಈಗ ರೇಷಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ. a1 by a2 that is equal to 3 by 2. b1 by b2 ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, that is equal to 2 by 3. ಹಾಗೆ c1 by c2 ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, c1 by c2 is 5 by 7. ಈಗ ಈ ಮೂರು ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. a1 by a2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 2, b1 by b2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 by 3, c1 by c2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 by 7. ಯಾವುದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. okay, andre what you can tell whether it is consistent or inconsistent. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ they intersect at a point. andre it has a solution. so therefore it is consistent. okay, so you can write the given pair of linear equations are consistent. The given pair of linear equations are consistent. So this is how you can answer the sub question 1 of question number 3. okay, ratios anna find ಮಾಡಿ. ratios na ಮೇಲೆ if there is a solution you can write the given pair of linear equations are consistent. Now let us solve the second sub question here. X minus 3y is equal to 8. The second equation is 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. So, here a1 is 2, b1 is minus 3, c1 is 8. a2 is 4, b2 minus 6, c2 9. Now let us write the ratio. a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4. Simplify madi, 2 ones are 2 2s are, that's equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6. Minus 3 by minus 6. 3 ones are 3 2s are. Minus minus becomes plus. 1 by 2. Hage C1 by C2 is equal to 8 by 9. Idana further we cannot simplify. Okay. Idana check madidre. Now you see A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 ಮತ್ತು B1 by B2 ಅನ್ನೋ ratio equal ಆಗಿದೆ. But that is not equal to C1 by C. ಅದು C1 by C2 ಗೆ equal ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So in that case, you know, these two lines are parallel. Parallel ಆಗಿರುವ ಕಾರಣ it has no solution. Since it has no solution, ಅಲ್ಲಿ solution ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ these pair of linear equations are very good. They are inconsistent. Okay. So let us write the given pair of linear equations. The given pair of linear equations are inconsistent. The given pair of linear equations are inconsistent. Okay. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ second sub question ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ pair of linear equations they are inconsistent. Now third one, ಅದು consistent ಅಥವಾ inconsistent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ let us check now. Okay. Third sub question. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7 and 9x minus 10y is equal to 40. 9x minus 10y is equal to 40. So, A1 is 3 by 2, B1 is 5 by 3, C1 is 7, A2 is 9, B2 is minus 10, C2 is 40. Now, let us find the ratio A1 by A2. Okay, A1 is 3 by 2 by 9. Simplify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ you can write this as 3 by 2 into 1 by 9 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇದರ reciprocal of 9 is 1 by 9. 3 ones are 3 3s are. So 1 by 2 into 3 ಅಂದರೆ 1 by 6. ಹಾಗೆ B1 by B2 is equal to 5 by 3 into 1 by minus 10. Reciprocal ತೆಗೆದು ಬರ್ತಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು 5 ones are 5 2s are ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು minus 2. So 1 by minus 6, C1 by C2 is equal to 7 by 14. Okay, 7 ones are, 7 2s are, and that's equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so here equation and check madidre. Now you can see the ratio A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B. A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 equal agilla. Okay, so therefore they intersect at a point and it has solution. Therefore, it is consistent. Okay, so the given pair of linear equations are consistent. Given pair of linear equations are consistent here in question number 3. So let us solve fourth question. 5x minus 3y. 5x minus 3y is equal to 11. And the second equation is minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 20. Okay. Two linear equations are ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Means we have a pair of linear equations. Let us write a1 is 5, b1 is minus 3, c1 is equal to 11. a2 is minus 10, b2 is equal to 6, c2 is equal to minus 22. And the ratio a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by minus 10. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, minus 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by 6. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, and that's equal to minus 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to 11 by minus 22. 11 ones are, 11 twos are, that's equal to minus 1 by 2. So, here you can see a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and that's equal to c1 by c2. Now you can see the ratios are all equal. You see a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and that's equal to c1 by c2. All the three ratios are equal. All three ratios are equal. It means that they are coincident. Andre, you have infinitely many solutions. As I already told you, solution ide ant helidre, they are consistent. So therefore, you can write the given pair of linear equations are consistent. They are consistent. Okay. Last sub question here. We have question number 5. Let us solve it and check whether it is consistent or inconsistent. Question number 5. 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, and the second linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Really? a1 is equal to 4 by 3, b1 is 2, c1 is 8. Again, a2 is 2, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is equal to 12. Okay. Now let us find the ratio a1 by 8. That is equal to 4 by 3 by 2. Okay. So you can write 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So the ratio is 2 by 3. Okay. Now b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 3. c1 by c2 is equal to 8 by 12. Okay. 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and that's equal to 2 by 3. So now here you can see that the ratios a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that's equal to c1 by c2. So you see all the three ratios are equal. So it means that the given pair of linear equations are consistent. The given pair of linear equations, the given pair of linear equations are consistent. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ all the three ratios are equal. So the reason is all the three ratios are equal means when you represent them graphically, you will see that the lines are coincident. So they have infinitely many solutions. Okay. If there are solutions, you tell that the given pair of linear equations are consistent. And that's how you tell based on the ratios whether the given pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. I hope you have understood very clearly that how you can answer the question number 3 from the exercise 3.1. Okay, exercise 3.1 ನ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟಾ ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಭಾವಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay connected. Keep learning. Take care. Bye bye.